Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to analyze text with ChatGPT. Analyzing text with ChatGPT is straightforward and can be done in just a few steps. Here's how to get started. Open your web browser, then go to the ChatGPT website. Make sure to log in with your ChatGPT account. Now, go to the browser where your text is located. Highlight, right click, and hit copy the text you want to analyze. Paste the text directly into the ChatGPT input box. Now, let us frame your analysis request. Type a clear instruction for ChatGPT to analyze the text. For example, for summary, summarize this text. For sentiment analysis, analyze the sentiment of this text. For themes or key ideas, identify the main ideas in this text. For grammar check, check this text for grammatical errors and suggest corrections. Once you hit enter or this button, the result will be given to you. You can refine your request to make the analysis more specific. As for tone analysis, what is the tone of this text? Explore writing style. Describe the writing style used in this text. Check for logical flow. Analyze the logical flow and coherence of this text. Then just review the output. If you want to save the analysis, copy the output provided by ChatGPT. Then paste it into the document editor like Notepad, Word, or Google Docs for further use. By following these steps, you can efficiently analyze any text using ChatGPT on your device. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.